Let's move ahead, viewers, to the other story we are coming in. We shift our focus to the NEET UG scam, and we are seeing that it looks like that there will be more updates. CBI has filed a investigation report in NEET case in Supreme Court. CBI report filed in a sealed cover. What we also learned that the centre has submitted affidavit before the Supreme Court regarding NEET UG leak allegations. The hearing on the matter is slated to take place today. I want to go across to Riyanka. And Apex Court will also hear the NEET scam case tomorrow. That is a big update coming in on Republic TV right now. Remember that the Apex was supposed to hear a bunch of petitions today. It looks like that it has changed to tomorrow now. I'm going to go to Riyanka. Riyanka, take us through what's happening. It looks like that the NEET scam hearing has now been deferred to tomorrow.
That's right, Shivangi. That is the latest update coming in from my colleague who is present right inside the Supreme Court. We are getting to know that the hearing has now been postponed, or rather deferred to tomorrow. So we have to now wait for another day. The students, a few of them who had joined in here, they have to now come again tomorrow. They have to wait once again for the Supreme Court to give its verdict, or rather hear the matter, as there have been multiple developments that have been taking place. A, the NTA filing its affidavit, and B, the CBI also filing its investigation report. We had the students here. We have one of the students joining me. अब जो मैटर है उसकी हियरिंग कल तक के लिए टाल दी गई है. अब क्या करने का प्लान है आप लोगों का?
हमने तो सोचा था कि आज ही मैटर खत्म हो जाए, जो रिजल्ट आना है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आए, पर अब पता नहीं क्यों टाल दी गई. अभी तो लंच टाइम था, हम सोच रहे थे लंच हो रहा होगा, अगला हमारा ही होगा, पर पता नहीं क्यों टाल दी गई है कल के लिए. हमें रीज़न भी तो पता है कि क्यों टाली गई है. जब सब कुछ दोनों पक्षों ने अपना जमा करवा दिया है तो हमें तो पता करना है कि क्यों टाल दी गई. हम क्योंकि उम्मीद लेके आए थे. रोज़ इतनी गर्मी में हम आते हैं, उन्हें सोचना चाहिए कि बच्चे यहाँ पे क्यों आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें कुछ कोर्ट से उम्मीद है, वो टाल देंगे. अभी टाइम भी है, कोर्ट बंद होने का तो टाइम हुआ नहीं है, तो उन्हें करना तो चाहिए था.
क्या उम्मीदें हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट से? जैसे कि हमें पता चल रहा है कल होगी हियरिंग, तो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपकी?
हम सब तो यही एक्सपेक्टेशन करते हैं कि रीनीट हो. भले ही एनटीए ने, गवर्नमेंट ने अपनी तरफ से जो सबूत दिए, तो हमारी तरफ से भी कुछ सबूत होंगे जो स्ट्रांग होंगे, तो हमें कोई डर नहीं है. हम जो सीजीआई बोलेंगे हम वो ऑर्डर फॉलो करेंगे, पर हम सब चाहते हैं कि रीनीट हो.
So there you heard the students. They have said that they will be continuing to demand that there should be a reconduct of examination of NEET undergraduate. But for now, the latest update coming in, the matter has been deferred until tomorrow, where the Supreme Court will hear around over 30 petitions and also take a look at give its observation regarding the affidavit filed by the NTA and the investigation report by the CBI.
Right. Well, Riyanka, take us through exactly, what we can expect as Supreme Court is hearing these petitions. And we are seeing that these petitions allege widespread irregularities and malpractices during the test, raising concerns about the fairness of the entire process. And this is a big deal, because what would happen to the NEET UG 2024 exam? Because a lot of these petitioners want that this exam should be cancelled overall.
Absolutely, Shivangi. Some more breaking developments now coming in. What we are getting to know that the CGI has in fact made some changes in the date of the hearing. These are the latest breaking news that we are tracking on Republic. The CGI has said that the next hearing regarding the NEET matter will be taken up on next Thursday. So another week, the Supreme Court has said that CBI has in fact given out its report in this case. So that needs to be seen. So these are the developments coming in by my colleague who is present inside the court. These are the breaking details that we are tracking for you. We have to wait and see for how long does this matter take up, because the students have constantly been stressed on the ground. They have been protesting, and now they were here at the Supreme Court with all hopes that there will be some verdict, in their favor. But now this matter being deferred, which is likely will be taken up next Thursday. So that is another week for a wait. On the other hand, we are seeing how the counselling has also been put on hold till the Supreme Court gives out its verdict. So we have to wait and watch what happens next. For now, this is the latest details that we are gathering here.